the most valuable thing. Second topic we cover. Okay. So anything is going to be changed. If you want, I want to reduce weight. I want to reduce weight, or I want to perfect in English, or I want to perfect in AI. Okay, like that. So by result, you want to change. Okay, I want that change of result. That habit may not be permanent temporary. Internally, inside, you have to give the identity. If you want to learn AI tools, yes, feel that I am AI expert. So being AI expert, I should aware all AI tools. That's why I require to learn AI tools. Anywhere, boss, I'm AI expert. Automatically, that habit of learning, you are not required to keep pressure. You are not required, will flow automatically learning. So first, give identity to yourself. Okay. So AI expert. I am not a drinker. I won't drink. I'm not a smoker. I won't smoke. I won't eat junk food. I won't eat junk food. My health, my physical health is too good. First, give such a type of identity. I'm the healthiest person. I'm the strong communicator. Okay. I'm the leader. Something like that. If you are giving first identity to yourself, then think about habit. Habit automatically will come into the picture. So, first thing, instead of changing outside, change inside. Change yourself. Assign some identity to you. That's what second topic what we covered.